Land Rover Discovery Sport covered in snow. Let's see if the wipers can clear it. How? Quite powdery. Let's see if it can clear the snow with the wipers. Will it be able to do it? Ooh, turn the ignition on. Ignition's on. Let's have a look what happens. Will it clear it? Oh. No, but the back. Looks like it's iced up. And the back should move now. No, not broke it. Yeah, got movement at the back. Alright then, what do we do about the front, Liza? Is there a broom? Have we got a broom?
A broom.
Where's the broom?
We have a sled.
I don't want to sled. Oh, here's a broom.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is...
We've used that a lot.
Why is it so heavy? Is it iced up? Oh, that is solid.
Yeah, from the snow.
To go carefully. Yeah, it's a bit hard to do with one hand. Oh.
You can do it.
Quiet, let me do it. This is iced up. I think I'd best turn the engine on. Yeah, where's the wipers? That is, it's a lot thicker. That needs engine on. That's not going to shift. Oh, that is freezing. Ouch. Hands are cold now. Should have put a jumper on. Oh, my hands are freezing. Okay, so I'm going to have to turn the engine on. That's not going to work. It's a lot thicker than I thought. Underneath the top layer, there is an ice layer. Okay, so let's turn the engine on. Oh. Yeah. Let's see how quickly max def. Come on, where's the button? Leave it on. I think I still need to clear it with some. Have I got anything? Yeah, I've got this small scraper. Look how deep it is. Can't even get to the wiper. That is solid ice. No wonder it didn't shift. Solid ice laser. These little scrapers are useful. Yeah. Oh, here we are. There's a wiper. Oh, it's starting to heat up. Look, it's coming away towards the top, so it heats more from the top. Look, it's starting to come away. So is this any loose? Yeah, look, it's coming now. So Land Rover Discovery Sport defroster works fast. So all the snow at the top is now loose when it was solid. Water, that's gonna freeze. Where's the brush? Let me brush it off there. Yeah, it should brush away now. So basically, oh, look at that, that's come off. What about the top? That's gonna fall down. Oh. Yeah, I'm not very tall, am I? Alright then. Right then, let's move this. I think the wipers should move now. Not the snow melting. Here's the scraper. Let me try it. Yeah, it is. That should move now. Let's try the other side. Yeah. Move the wiper. Oh, that's it. Dislodge it. Now the wiper should work. The frozen hands now though. Here we go. Oh. It's working. Yeah, threw snow all over me and into the car. Oh. So that's how you get the snow off a Land Rover's windshield. Where? Windscreen, quiet. Turn the engine on. That will loosen the snow, and use a brush to scrape it off. Don't use a brush straight away because it's going to be solid at the bottom ice. And then before you turn the wipers on, make sure that they're moving, that they flex, otherwise they might still be frozen. It's pretty efficient. Land Rovers are pretty efficient at heating up the windscreen compared to other cars. Let's clear up snow from the... Oh, where's that thing? I shouldn't have used my hand. This is still frozen. Look at that. Can't see nothing out of that. When I drive, it should come off. Yeah, that's okay. Back's okay. Oh, my hands are icy. Biting snow. It's really biting my hand. I think we're good to go. Let's have a look. Clear. Yeah, we're good to go. Very efficient windscreens at clearing snow, Land Rovers. Even iced up fully, cold, solid. Basically turn it on for a minute to loosen the snow on the windscreen. It'll be iced up and then you can just brush it off. And before you turn the wipes on, make sure that they move, that they flex, because they might be frozen solid. I'm just gonna leave the snow on the bonnet. Right, we're good to go.